Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Netflix profile icon on your phone. Go ahead and click your account on the lower right hand side and then click the three lines on the upper right. Click on manage profile, then choose the profile that you want to edit the icon for. I'm going to choose this one. Here at the top, you can see a pencil icon where you have the icon, tap on that, and here you have some icons that you can choose from. These are a whole lot of different icons that you can choose. They have so many, guys. You can just scroll through and find some of the coolest icons, pictures, whatever you want. If you want to choose classic, you can choose from some classic ones. Whatever it is, they're all there for you to choose from. So go ahead and choose something. I'm gonna choose something from, let's say it's Halloween time, so I'm gonna choose this. And as you can see, I have done that. Right, at any point in time you can go back and you can change it to whatever you want, guys. Really easy and really simple. So find something that you like, select it, and then from there, that's all there is to it. It is no changed.